how to connect Convertkit to Squarespace. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect Convertkit to Squarespace. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open zapier.com and sign in with your account. Over here, click on create and choose the option for Zaps. After that, you will need to set up a trigger and an action. Over here, click on trigger and search for ConvertKit. Then choose the event that will act as a trigger. You can select options like new form subscriber, new purchase, or new tag subscriber. For this example, select new subscriber and click on continue. Next, you need to connect ConvertKit to Zapier. Sign in to your ConvertKit account using the API secret to authenticate. After that, click on action and search for Squarespace. Then select the event for Squarespace. Over here, you can choose API requests for custom actions. Then click on continue and sign into your Squarespace account to complete the connection. Once both platforms are connected, you will have successfully created a trigger and action from ConvertKit to Squarespace. So that's how you can connect ConvertKit to Squarespace. That's all for this video.